Hey, how's it going? Chris here with ACN. I'm back at Knott's Berry Farm at the lot where a month ago there was bits and pieces of Montezooma's Revenge behind me. It's been sent off to coaster heaven, unfortunately, and a lot of big news was announced yesterday regarding the updates to the ride, which I'm a little bit disappointed, or a lot of it disappointed in. But anyway, I'm gonna go inside the park now since I have a pass and show you how things are looking in there. All right, let's go. Inside the park here at Montezooma's Revenge, which was closed for refurbishment. And what they meant by that was ripping out most of the coaster and replacing it with a new one. It's also going to get a new name. It won't be Montezooma's Revenge anymore. It's going to be Montezooma and the Temple of Doom or something like that. Anyway, no loop over here, and that looks really weird. I should probably go take a ride on Jaguar to go through the non-existent loop. But yeah, this is going to get a whole new look. Station will be themed and whatnot. I'm guessing it's just going to be these spikes, the one there and the one over there. That's going to be the only old track. Everything else will be new. It's getting a new launch system, new track, new trains with over the shoulder that nobody asked for. So, yeah. All right, I just got off Jaguar, got a much better look at things. All the track, the launch track is still in place. They've just removed the loop down there. It's possible that I guess they could reuse this existing track if they put like LSM launches like with the plates on the side of the car, but I don't think that's going to be the case. I think this track is going to come out. And then all the way down there, there's a small section that got removed as well. Yeah, there goes Jaguar through what used to be the loop. And over here on the back spike, they've installed all this steel cross bracing towards the bottom of the support tower. It's interesting. From over here, you can see that piece of track that I was talking about that they removed between the back spike and the station. Over here on the Camp Snoopy side, station is looking pretty much the same. But yeah, based off the released concept artwork that they did in that video, it's going to be enclosed from what it looks like. I'll be kind of interested to see what they do there. You know, as frustrating as it is that they're not bringing back the flywheel and making drastic modifications to this ride, I'm really looking forward to the theming that they're doing. It looks really top notch. It's gonna go really well with Jaguar, with the temple over there. So props to Knott and Cedar Fair for really going all out on the theming for that. But yeah, here we go. There's a lot of work going on around here. You come over where the flywheel was. And the loop. And yeah, there you go. I like how the ring, the lighted ring, is still in place. They haven't touched that. So yeah. What do you guys think of all these changes? Comment down below. Are you a fan of it, or are you kind of like us where you're a little frustrated that they're doing so much extensive work to it beyond what was announced when they closed it? Something I just noticed is that with this all removed here, whatever it was, I think it was some sort of cover, you could see some of that original yellow paint with the green and the orange. So you get all three color schemes revealed right here. Exclusive on ACN. Not really. Last week they announced a full makeover of Fiesta Village, and they are underway. Got construction walls up. This has always been a pretty nice area of Knott's. but it did need some work, and it's nice to see them freshen it up. With the makeover comes new landscaping and new colors for the rides. So I'm just gonna get a quick look through here for the before. Again, yeah, it's not bad. Looks pretty good with landscaping and everything, but freshening it up, always welcome. This area over here by Jaguar has looked kind of sad for a while. It looks like in the new artwork they're gonna have a lot more landscaping over here and some upgrades to at least the theming on the outside of Jaguar. I hope they bring back the flames that they had at the top before. They also had smoke effects and all that. So we'll see. But it looks promising. And then over here, this is getting a whole new look. Building's been gutted in there. Kind of hard to see maybe on this video, but yeah, the inside's all gutted. And I think there's going to be a new fountain over here and all sorts of landscaping and whatnot. It sure is weird not seeing the loop right over here. And while they haven't done anything to the area of Fiesta Village over here, they are repaving everything between Fiesta Village and Silver Bullet, which I think they did, like, I don't know, it might have been a decade ago now, but it didn't look that bad. But obviously they wanted to make it look even better, so yay. Part of the facade has been removed, and taking a peek in through this construction wall here, like I was saying earlier, the inside is completely gutted. This used to be, there was like arcade stuff in here, and I think some gift shop. Yeah. One thing I hope they work on when they do this update of Fiesta Village are the restrooms. They look nice on the outside, but on the inside they're like 1990 something, and urinals are like a foot apart and no privacy. Ugly white and blue tile. Yeah. Fix that, please, Knott.
Like this?
And since I'm here with a meal pass now, I'm gonna check out the new restaurant that opened. This used to be Hollywood Hits. It was Hollywood Beanery way before that, but was completely gutted and redone. And this looks really nice. This area was always, it's been dead for a while, but they've really spruced things up. Last year they did all the decorative work on the theater. That's kind of Art Deco and ties in with kind of the Roaring 20s that they used to have here. Yeah, this looks really nice. Let's go eat. Well, I'm gonna go eat. Inside here, it's really nice, but it's not a sit down like the artwork showed. Regardless, I like it. And of course, I gotta get the berry punch here. All right, let's dig in. It's really good. It's normally $15, but you know the food here at Knott's Berry Farm is really good. So I really wouldn't mind paying $15 for this, but having the meal plan for the rest of 2022 and all of 2023, really good deal. So a couple details that I wanted to point out on the restaurant behind me. Really cool here. I'll turn this camera around. It's themed to a prop shop, which I knew, but when I went to go sit down over here, which, so yeah, they don't have indoor seating, but over here they have this whole outdoor area that's also covered. And there's a detail here that I thought was really, really nice. Is that on the table here? Apple Creek Casting. And I'm trying to figure out what the reference for Apple Creek is. If anybody knows, drop a comment. Also really nicely themed trash cans. It's like Disney quality here. And one other thing to point out, the restrooms that used to be attached to the old restaurant that was there, that was just outdoors only, those restrooms have been moved right over here. Yeah, just down this little path here with nice landscaping and theming on the side of the building here. Loading dock. In other coaster news, Accelerator is still closed, and yeah, there's no car in the station or anything. The station is trainless. And outside the park is the Knott's Berry Farm Hotel, which is also going to get a much needed renovation. And they don't look like they've done much yet, at least on the outside. But this is something that was really needed. My hope was that they would tear this out and make room for a park expansion, but clearly not going to happen there. Speaking of a park expansion, could you really imagine a Giga going right by this hotel? I just never saw that ever happening. But yeah, this is where that rumored Giga was going to be built. Yeah, if that was the case, they definitely would have had to move that hotel. I can't see that happening. All right, guys, that's going to do it for today's update. I'll be back here every week or so, just depending on how the progress looks. If you're a fan of this type of content, please consider giving our channel a sub, also this video a like. Thank you very much again for watching. Have a good one. Bye.